So let's look at data types. Data types can be seen or defined as the types of data that can be stored in a variable. We have various types of data types. We have the numeric data type, string, sequence, boolean, mapping, and set data types. Now under the numeric data types, we have three, which are the int, float, and complex data types. So the int data types hold signed numeric values of non-limited length. As you can see over here, set var1 or variable 1 is set to 5, variable 2 is set to 7. 5 and 7 are all types of int data types. But as I said, int data types hold signed numeric values of non-limited length. If I were to change this to 1000 and I also change this to negative 1000, they are still int data types. But so these are examples of int data types. Now coming to float data types. Float data type deals with decimal points and are accurate up to 15 decimal places. So if I were to change this to 1.5 or 1.4, that's an example of a float data type. So we have int over here and we have float over here. Now let me talk a little bit about the boolean data type, seeing as we already have this comparison operator over here. Boolean data type simply returns a true or false. And as I said earlier, the comparison operators compare two value and returns true or false. So if I were to play this, you can see over here it's true because 1000 is greater than 1.4. So this is an example of a boolean data type. Now what's an example of a string data type? Now string data type is a sequence. String is a sequence of characters represented by either a single or double quote mark. Now to give an example of a string data type, let's take this out and delete this block. We're going to delete the comparison block. So now our show string is set to display hello. Now this is an example of a string data type because I said a string data type. A string is a sequence of characters represented by either a single or double quotes. And as you can see, hello over here is encoded, is represented by a double quote. If I were to change this to maybe a hello world, this is the same thing as a string data type. So now we'll be deleting all the blocks, leaving only the onStart block. And we'll move on to the next data type, which is a sequence data type. And under the sequence data type, we have the list and tuple. List is an ordered collection of similar or different types of items, separated by a comma and closed in square brackets. Now tuple is also an ordered collection similar to the list, except tuples are immutable, which simply means once changed they can't, and once created they can't be changed. And tuples are enclosed in parentheses and not square brackets. Now to create our list, simply come to the advanced category and click on it. Then scroll down to the arrays category. Now drag and drop this on your workspace, the set list. We'll be snapping our set list block into our onStart block and change this name. Click on this icon to change it. So click on new variable, and as I said earlier, you can decide to give your variable any name of your choice, but for this tutorial I'll be giving it the variable and the name my list. After you're done, click on OK. Now this is our list, and our list have two items, 0 and 1. Let's manually create and add two more items into our list. So click on this plus icon, change this to a 2, change this to a 3. Now we've created our list. There are various operations that can be performed with the list, with a Python list. So we'll be going through them. We're going to how to check length of lists, how to get list items based on their index, how to delete list items using index, how to append or add items to a list, and how to delete last items of a list.